I had so much fun with the 44 group build I did the other month. I'm going to do another group build. This group build is for the month of February. It's a small scale group build, which is any car 1/35th scale or smaller. This group build is hosted by Bryan over at BG's Model Workshop and Shawn over at the Scale Model Car Garage. Let me show you what I'm going to be building. We'll do this Tamiya 1/35th scale German Steyr. I'm thinking about turning this into a wrecker, because I also got this kit here, this little crane wrecker boom that I'm going to graft on the back of this thing. So I'm going to try to make these two up. And I'm going to do another build in this. I'm going to do this little guy right here. It's a Tamiya 1/35th scale. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. But I'm going to put a little twist on this and a little hint on what I might do with this. I might put a surfboard sticking out. It's going to be pretty fun. Stay tuned for some updates. Like I said, I've got 3 weeks to go on this thing. 3 months, I wish. 3 weeks to go on this to get these two kits done. Can it be done? We're going to find out. We'll see you on the next episode on Throttle Power.